Hey, how are you? I'm just going to quickly show you how to remove the Commodore VE gear shifter and the plastic trim around it. Yeah, I mean, you might have to do it one day, so show you how to do it. Anyway, so I just use this, flathead, whatever. So that's this trim here has, I think, six clips. So you sort of want to get under once you can, and motherfucker, it's always when you go show people something, it doesn't work out. Anyway, so you just pop one up, pop two, so that's sweet. Come over here, chuck that in, pop this other one, there, pop that one. I mean, you can take this out if you want to make things easier, but it doesn't really matter. Come over here, pop that one, and this one, pop that. That's the 6 clips, and then okay. So then that's just got this. Undo that, and it's got one up the front here. I don't know if you can see it. Motherfucker. Okay, so that one's out. And it's got another one. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So that's pretty easy. For the shifter part, slap it up in whatever neutral drive, probably drive, might make it easier. You need a Phillips head. So first off, what you want to do, get your flathead, this part here, slap it in behind it, boom, and that will pop out. Now pop back in. Yep. So yeah, so that just pops out, and then you have, I don't know if you can see it, there's a Phillips head screw right up the top here. So you want a pretty short Phillips head too, because it hits this part and can't really, makes it a bit of a prick. So once you find it, and just unscrew it. You can see this starting to come out. Let's keep going, and that should do it. And then that just slides out. And then for this part, there's a little like fucking U-clip sort of thing right at the bottom. If you can see it, this here, just take that out. You don't really need to take this out separately. You can just take this whole thing off, but yeah, don't forget about that. just slides out, and then yeah, that just pops off like that, and you're all set to whatever you want to do. I mean, you know, from here, you know, you can undo, you know, take off all this trim. You know, this cup holder here, it's got a screw underneath this rubber mat. And also, whilst we're here, I'll quickly show you, because this little part here can just pops out pretty easy. It's only 2 clips. Boom. So that pops out. So yeah, that's how you take these cup holders off as well. But this here, this is actually how you tighten and loosen your handbrake. So yeah, you just get your torque in there and loosen it or tighten it, whatever. But when you do it, make sure your handbrake's off, obviously. Yeah. So yeah, pretty simple.